Uptown Swing level 1.
Man, eat it.
We did a bunch of swing outs, y'all. So we started with this, reminding everybody, swinging out, then circling up. Oh, then we did swing outs, right back into one of those swing outs. Leaders, remember, go this way, bam, on the triple step, and the 5. So 1, 2, this way, bam, followers, hang out. We talked connection a tiny bit. It was I move, then this moves with a little stretchy rubber band here. This moves. This moves with another little stretchy rubber band. That's the feeling of connection. We tried that a whole bunch. Then we did some rhythm breaks. Let's do points. Bam.